brand new present.
Whose present is that for?
Di ba you say,
Mommy.
hello guys. Hello guys. My name is Zia.
Hey guys, my name is Zia.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. So, what will you do today?
we got this brand new present for Mommy today because it's her birthday.
Ooh.
Because we got
Okay,
it.
let's open it
Okay.
one by one.
Okay. Alright. It's a one by one.
Yeah, okay.
Look.
Oh.
Oh, I brought this.
Oh, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. It's enough.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What's inside?
What's inside? Open it.
You have to think about it, Mom.
Oh, is it a toy?
Yeah.
No. Is it a bag?
Yeah.
Whoa. Can I see?
Okay.
Okay, take it out. Take it out.
That's out there. Back.
Alam ko na yan. Parang style.
Show it. Show it.
Bayan,
Show it.
tama yung style eh.
Whoa.
So what's inside?
What's that?
How much? How much?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Is that?
Nothing's
Nothing.
inside? Show the camera. Nothing is inside.
Okay, what letter? What letter is this?
D.
D. Oh, you try to ba?
How do you wear it?
No. You wear it like that.
Sorry.
Yeah.
That.
You wear it like
Okay,
that.
stand up.
Whoa.
Show, stand up. Whoa.
That's a Dior bag. Okay, say
4-7.
thank you.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you guys enjoy our show. Click the bell button to
Subscribe.
subscribe to our video. Click the bell button.
Okay,
Say
say
bye.
bye.
Bye.